Hey guys, it's Jonah with Capital Growths. This is my week 19 portfolio update video. And this week it's sitting at $17,355. And I deposited $50. So it's seen about a $110 increase in value over the week. So that's pretty nice. And for the month, up 4.39%. 3 months is 6.27%, and then 7.2% for the year and all time since I've had this account since August. And originally I was putting down about $100 each week, and then I was going to around $200, and now I'm back down to $50 a week. But in my mind, if I'm staying consistent with it and investing in those dividend paying stocks, then I can kind of afford putting a little bit less contribution each week if I have some of those dividend paying stocks helping me out in purchasing some new ones. So that's kind of why I like having some of the high yield positions. Like I have my three big ones each 3 months are definitely CGXF, covered call for silver and gold. It pays out every 3 months, and it's some pretty nice distributions. So check out the distribution history for CGXF, NXF down here, and this one's Energy Giants, and then my last one's tech exposure. So you have tech, energy, and gold and silver. So I think in September that paid me alone like $25. And so I'm happy that I was able to build up that part of my portfolio just so I can get those distributions coming in. And now I'm focusing on kind of more growth positions while adding a little bit to the dividend payers, exclusively dividends pretty much. But yeah, I'll show you the ones that I'm kind of considering adding next week. AQN, that's for sure, because they're at $18.71, and for the past 5 years, they've pretty much peaked at around $22. So I think it's pretty good entry for me to average my costs, because I think my average price is $19, and it's a company that's been raising their dividends over the last couple of years. So definitely a good one if you're spending a little bit less than $20. And my bank stock, Bank of Nova Scotia, is doing pretty good, BNS. And I've been continuing adding to HHL. It's just good. Basically conservative, just like, I think it's 58 cents a month in dividend payments per share you own. So that's what I've just been putting a little bit of money into. And so I'm scrolling down. You guys can just look through the snapshots while I'm kind of explaining my thought process. I've also been adding to RS, my e-commerce and real estate split fund. And the price is at $19. And my average price is $19.56. So I'm trying to average down for that position as well. Lithium just continues to do pretty well. My SLI, and I believe LI as well. Suncor Energy, SCU, it's over the $200 mark. So that's continued to be, on the rise. Definitely another one to look out for, because the dividend payments are going to be skyrocketing, I'm assuming, in the next year or two. VFV is just a pretty good ETF there that I'd like to add a bit more to before it goes over the $100 range. Plus it does a little bit of a yield of 1%, so that's nice every 3 months. And last but not least, ZWK. That's my U.S. bank exposure with the BMO covered call. And that one's been performing pretty well. So the U.S. banks are doing quite nice, and having this fund, the exchange rate's already in Canadian, so that's helpful. And yeah, I haven't gotten any dividend payments this week, guys. I'll show you what I'm standing at now, though. $64.69 up to October 15th. And my total since April is $200. But the big chunk of that is from September and October. So the next coming months, I'm hoping that'll keep coming up and up, as I'm buying more stocks. And that's why I wanted to add to these dividend positions originally. And I find they're so helpful for just giving you the income you need to grow your account. So hopefully that motivates you guys to get into dividend stocks a bit. But if you know any growth stocks that don't pay dividends but think could be good for my account, leave a comment for that, and let me know how your portfolios are doing in the past week. I'm thinking about growth stocks, but I kind of want them to be Canadian because there's a conversion fee on Wealthsimple. But I'm open to hearing what you guys like. So yeah, have a good week, and check out the referral information in the description as well if you're new to Wealthsimple. So take care, guys.